Hey, this is Sean Cameron from Harman Professional here at the E4 Experience. I would like to talk to you a little bit about the AMX Varia touch panels. This is the next generation touch panel from AMX. So not only does it do everything that you're familiar with AMX touch panels, but these are also what we call persona defined, meaning that they can run different apps full screen, such as scheduling for room scheduling, Zoom room control. We have a web kiosk mode, and then we also have the AMX G5 control. So everything you know and love about an AMX touch panel. There are several sizes that are new. 5-inch portrait mode. We have an 8-inch wall. Those are both slim mount panels. Then we also have another 8-inch panel, a 10-inch panel, and a 15 that can be wall mounted, table mounted, or VESA mounted. These are also manageable by the CloudWorks Manager software, so we can do mass deployment and management, firmware transfers, file transfers, everything that you need to do in a mass deployment you can do on the CloudWorks Manager software. So for more information on the AMX Varia panels, you can go to amx.com.